Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce you to the 14-feet kayak made by Ridgeside company. This kayak is 4.26 meters in length and 0.59 meters in width. It is designed based on the sea kayak and the touring kayak. The total weight is 22 kilograms. The overall hull of the kayak is made of a composite material composed of high-impact ABS and outer acrylic by using the thermoforming technique. Therefore, the hull of the kayak is extremely strong, action-knocking, and looks very shiny. Moreover, it is featured with UV-resistant as well as aging-resistant. The kayak can bear a maximum weight of 155 kilograms in the water. In terms of the lightweight and hull strength aspects, the performance of this kayak is already very close to those made of glass fiber and carbon fiber. Regarding to its hull structure, the kayak has 3 independent spaces divided by 2 sealed blizzard panels, the central cockpit, and a counterweight storage compartment at each end of the hull. When opening the hatches, there is a lot of available space for large traveling equipment. The middle hatch in the front of the cockpit can be used to carry personal belongings such as mobile phones, cameras, water bottles, and many others. A very convenient way to access your items when rowing. The 3 hatches are made of PC material, action knocking on the outside and soft PU material in the inside by double molding. The soft buckle inside is very elastic and it can fully fit to the undercut portion of the hatch. It is very easy to open and close the hatch at the same time. The size of the cockpit hatch is designed in accordance with the standard. Plenty of legroom and easy to access. The edge of the cockpit is very smooth and can fit a waterproof skirt perfectly. For different heights, this seat system can be adjusted in 4 different positions, either forwards or backwards. And the backrest can be adjusted up or down in 4 different levels as well. The drawstring can help to tighten or loosen the backrest position. Next, I'd like to introduce you to the patented design of this kayak. When the kayak enters the water, it will be firstly pushed forward by the skeg controller. So then the rudder turns outwards from the inside of the hull. With the rudder set straight, it will help to keep the kayak going straight. When a turn is required, it can be done via the gas pedal system inside the cockpit. When the right foot is turned forward along the pivot of the pedal, the tail rudder will swing to the right. Oppositely, when the left foot is turned forward along the pivot of the pedal, the tail rudder will swing to the left. This action is somewhat similar to the use of a car's pedal, therefore should be pretty easy to master it. The swing of the rudder is designed to be at 25 or minus 25 degrees angle. At the same time, the position of the pedal can be adjusted according to the different heights by rotating the adjustment handle. When the rudder needs to be retracted, there is no need to worry about if it is deflected or not. Just push the pull tab backward and the rudder will automatically return to the vertical position and then enter the cabin directly. Smooth and simple. In order to avoid unnecessary damage to the rudder during transportation, it is recommended to only release the rudder after the kayak is in the water and to retract the rudder before the kayak leaves the water. Compared to the existing exterior rudders currently on the market, the patented design of this set of rudders is more concise in appearance. Also, it effectively avoids any possible collision or damage that the exterior rudders may have during transportation. This kayak has been improved greatly with regard to some details. For example, this flexible grip at the bow and stern adopts the technique of outer injection double molding, making it very comfortable to hold. The built-in elastic rope structure makes sure the grip rebounds back itself and therefore no need of an extra rope from the outside. The drainage design of the 3 hatches uses concealed drain holes. The accumulated water can drain away to both sides of the hull through built-in pipes. unlike other kayaks, growing its surface to drain water. This design keeps the hull intact. There are 2 sets of bungee at each end of the kayak to help attaching some equipment. The front bungee can help to stabilize the paddles. There is also a stainless steel ring in the middle of the hull, which can be used to fasten the kayak. The bottom of this kayak has 2 narrow ends and a relatively wide middle part, with a raised keel connecting the bow and the stern. Such design not only helps to reduce the resistance in the water and improve the overall stability, but also ensures the kayak to go straight during movement. There are 2 pieces of foam cotton in the storage compartments. When the kayak is carried by a single person, the cotton should be placed at these 2 places. It should be quite easy for an adult to carry 22 kilograms. All the metal parts of the kayak are made of anti-rust material. Thus, there's no need to worry about the corrosion that is caused by sea water. That will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching.